So how to navigate from one frame to another prototype tutorial, Figma tutorial. So I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do. This is a very short video and it's just gonna clean up some confusion in Figma. At least it did for me, because I was kind of confused how to navigate from one frame to another. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And now let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So I'm just gonna click go to a new design here, and now I'm just gonna wait a couple of seconds, and here we're gonna create a frame. Now I want 14 Pro Max, and here I'm just gonna add some some rectangle here. I'm gonna move here, I'm gonna move this here, and now here for fill, change like this, go like that, click on this, increase the blur. Now we have this blur, a little bit of rectangle or radius, and now I'm just gonna click on this frame here. We have Ctrl+D, but sorry, undo this because I forgot to add some text. Here I'm gonna write 1, and now I'm gonna change to scale. I'm gonna have to scale this. Why it's so little here? Okay, I have scale. Now please press Ctrl+D. Now change this to 2, and now it was kind of confusing one that I didn't know how to change this to a different, because I wanted to use a different frame, a different device anyways. But now for this to work, you're gonna have to click on prototype, and here you can change this to any device you want. But to connect, we have here, we have device, we have both of these frames. But now if I click on this frame here, I go to prototype, here we have interactions. On tap, yes, and navigate to here, 2, this one, you have here 2, 1 and 2. On tap, navigate to this one. Actually, I can also change this. Navigate here. Navigate here. From this start, navigate here. And now we have here interactions. Click on this. On tap, navigate to here. From this start to navigate here. And now when we click on this, now when I click on tap here, it goes to frame 2 or navigate here. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I know this is simple, but it was simple for me as well, but it was really confusing, that's for sure, when I started using Figma. Anyways, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and take care.